Magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Good morning, ang aga-aga natin sa school. Mga 8:15 pa lang ngayon. I don't have a class this morning, but why am I outside? Well, I'll show you like a little bit of my routine dito sa school. Today's Wednesday. Isa lang yung class ko today. So, you get to see. So usually, dito ako nagbabasa. Ito yung view. So parang frozen na yung lake. Ayan. Ganda-ganda no, early morning. Tapos nababasa ako ng Bible, yung Daily Stoic. Hi guys! So, pupunta na ako sa klase. Bumili lang ng tubig. Tapos, nag-lunch na ako with my boyfriend. And we watched movies. That's what we usually do when we eat together. Tapos, ayun, hindi lang ako naka-video kasi nakalimutan. Hey guys! Ayan! Nakabalik na ulit tayo sa dorm. Kakatapos lang ng klase and saktong-sakto the class ended at 3. So, nagkaroon ako ng time. So, araw akong naglalakad like 1 hour a day. Kasi, di pa malamig. Ayan. So that it fills me and gives me courage and grounds me every single day. Kasi, you know, it's a daily battle in our minds, in our souls. So, para ma-survive ko yung buhay dito, mag-isa, ma-survive ko yung classes, yung hirap na lahat Chinese, tapos ako lang yung hindi nakakaintindi, alam mo yun. Tapos, so I have to work harder than everyone else. Ayun, so kailangan kong mag-ground yung sarili ko. But anyway, after that, I would read books as you saw earlier kasi mas nagagawa ko pa yung reading books kasi lalabas lang naman ako. Like, pupunta lang naman ako sa supermarket. Ayun. And then, klase. Ayun, nakakadasal ko lang ngayon. Ngayon, hintay ko lang yung boyfriend ko kasi wala na akong klase this afternoon. Pupunta kami to the mall and study there together. Kasi lagi kami nag-study sa library. Ngayon, gusto namin ng change of scenery. So, habang nag-iintay sa kanya, magko-continue lang ako sa painting. Kasi, nagawa ko na lahat ng homework ko, okay? Lahat ng mga essays, lahat ng mga thesis papers, everything I've already finished because naging habit na. Very much a J person. So, I'll see you guys later. I'll update you. Hi! So, I'm back in the dorm again. I know you just saw a little bit of that taxi shot, but nanood lang kami ng movie. It was actually a really, really good movie. I'm gonna paste it here. Tapos, sobrang na-enjoy ako. My goodness! Yung puwet ko, naka-pinch. Alam mo yon, ganun ka-intense. So, yun, nanood lang kami. Kumain kami ng dinner, nanood kami ng movie. And then, kasi it was a really, really nice, parang, ay, no movie, kumain lang kayo, that's your date. But I mean, kasi love language namin dalawa is quality time. So, it means a lot to us kapag magkasama kami, may ginagawa kami together, hindi nagpo-phone, ganun. So, ngayon, naririnig niyo tuloy yung aftermath, kakabalik sa dorm. Anong oras na ba? 11:24, tas ginagawa ko tong painting. Marami pa akong kailangang i-paint. Hindi, parang nangangalahati pa lang ata ako. Malapit na yung Christmas. Ayun. Tapos, so far, ito pa lang yung itsura niya. Siyempre, hindi ko ilalabas kung ano yung pinag-aaralan namin. Siyempre, secret lang yun. You need to be a student of BFA, okay? Bago mo malaman kung anong pinag-aaralan namin. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ko bang sabihin kung anong pinag-aaralan namin. Pero, to be sure, hindi ko sasabihin. Manigas na lang kayo. I'm sorry. I'm feeling really hyper kasi a lot of good things happened to me today. A lot of, good news, blessings. So, I'm just feeling really thankful kay God, and I feel so blessed and so loved and supported by everyone, especially my boyfriend. So, na-inspire akong tapusin tong painting. Pagkatapos ko na itong painting, maliligo ako, tutulog, and I'll see you tomorrow.